Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find Paladius and Necromus, the Dark Knight of Legend and the Holy Knight of Legend, which are a pair of centaur pals that you can find on the north side of the big old desert. They are literally just a boss, so they're always here. They might just have an hour-long cooldown between being able to fight them. And they are level 60, so bring your appropriate pal spheres and pals. One is dark and one is neutral. And I'm gonna go ahead and fight them. Their coordinates are 441 and 681, in case you are curious. Alright, so let's fight these two. Don't want to kill you accidentally. Boy, he's going somewhere. I'm not sure where, but he's going somewhere. Alright, that's one. I'll get Necromus first, because he's the one that seems a little bit more aggressive. Paladius, well, they're like a knight, so they're probably more defensive, if I had to guess. I just don't want to let my pal kill them accidentally, so just gotta pay very close attention. A lot of dodging. There's a lot of charging and attacking with these two, which I suppose does not surprise me to any great extent. There is an achievement for catching both of these. Catching a Necromus and catching a Paladius. Alright, so there's another Ancient Sphere. Now, both of them are mine, and they're both legends of their own variety. They've got, like, Legend and Celestial Emperor and Infinite Stamina and stuff. And if I come back here again in, like, an hour, I can fight them both again, and collect them again. So yeah, there was two more legendary pals here, up at the Paladius boss battle. Again, that's on the north side of the desert. And the coordinates are 440, I think it was 441 I said before, but it doesn't matter. And the other one is 679. I guess let's see what their stats are since I just got these two. So, Necromus is a legend and Lord of the Underworld. What does that mean? That sounds fancy. Lord of the Underworld, increase in dark attack damage. His ability is he can be ridden and can be double jump when ridden or when mounted. When Twin Spear's skill is activated, a Paladius in your party will appear and attack alongside you. Okay. That's kind of neat. And he's really good at lumberjack, or lumbering, and mining for his work suitability. Really high attack, really high defense. I guess okay work speed. I mean, it's definitely nowhere near as high as the others, so... These are definitely not, like, base pals. These are definitely battle pals. And then Paladius, their special skill is they can triple jump when mounted, and they have a spear thrust to have Necromus stay by your side and attack enemies in tandem. Okay. So you can basically just summon one and then the other one will come out and start attacking as well. That's really cool. And this one also does mining and lumberjacking. And is way high in defense, same work speed, and a little bit lower attack, but still pretty high attack. And they've got Legend, Celestial Emperor, Heavyweight, and Infinite Stamina. So that's pretty good. These guys are both pretty gnarly. They're both, one's female, one's male, so I suppose you could probably breed them to get even better ones as well. Alright, so that's where you get Paladius and Necromus inside of Palworld 1.0. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.